It's brick out here, cuz. Y'all, it's so much BS going on the internet. So it started yesterday. Y'all, it started yesterday with like YouTubers I follow. Well, not follow, but been like seeing stuff was going on before yesterday. But of course, I guess things kind of like got out of hand with it. And y'all, it was so much stuff going on yesterday. So I'm in here, you know, taking pictures for the new year. In one of my videos, which I have to post, thinking about it. And I get on Instagram and I'm like, what is going on? Not Instagram, I get on YouTube actually to look up Super Sense Live she did on YouTube. So I went on there and then all of a sudden I see a video with some other YouTubers, and I'm like, y'all still talking about this? I don't really want to say who it is because I ain't no like no drama filled person. Of course, when you see it, you see it, but what is going on? So you know, people like catch people's lives. Like if somebody is, you know, live, you know, the blog pages and stuff like that, and the T pages, and not just the T pages, but people who just have commentary, who do commentary on it, they were watching it. Like, it was crazy yesterday. Okay, you guys, so you guys see I am in my favorite spot, a filming spot, and I'm going to be doing a vlog style hair tutorial. So I just received my tape-ins, and I told you guys that I was going to be doing tape-ins. So I received 5 bundles. Each bundle have 20 tape-ins. So I'm really only going to be using 10, I think. No, this is way more. I think this is 40. I don't know. I'm going to count them and see. So I have my wavy tape-ins. I am going to wash these. Make sure not to get any shampoo and conditioner on the tape. And I'm going to apply them. I don't know if I'm going to do it today because I have to relax my hair today, but I'm going to, and it's going to be a quick relax. It's not going to be me, it's just going to be quick. So it's going to be like a vlog style video of me applying my tape-ins. I am going to do it on my other backdrop, which is white, just so you guys, I can pan the camera better and you guys will be able to see me applying it. I probably have my daughter help me as well on some of it, just to get it to move faster.
Not without the foreplay. Okay, cool. Not without the first day. Okay, cool.
Y'all, so I done tried to put these tape-ins in, and girl, let's just say it didn't work. So these tape-ins came from one of my vendors. I am probably going to try another vendor, which I should have just tried the first time. Because vendors, each vendor isn't good for everything. So tried the vendor for the tape-ins, Don't like them. I probably can replace the Tapins, but yeah, I'm not. I have to find some replacement because that's the issue. The tape is not strong enough at all, and I need to find some replacement tape, some good replacement tape, because the tape I saw on Amazon, girl, they was saying that tape was ripping people's hair out and stuff. So I have to find some good replacement tape. If you guys know about tape-ins and know where you can find a good place for replacement tape, leave it down below. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a ponytail with 2 little fringe pieces coming down for my look tomorrow. I think I'm gonna pin my ponytail, do a high ponytail, curl it, and pin it in a really cute, flirty way. So I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm about to go upstairs now to try and find what I'm gonna be recording tomorrow, like what kind of outfits. So yeah, so I'm upset about my tape-ins, but I'll get over it. Okay, so hello y'all. Hello guys. So right now I'm about to record. I just moved stuff around in the room where I record. You guys know these walls are like baby blue. So with these walls being blue, I'm telling y'all, it don't stop me. You got to do what you have to do. And I use these fabrics and the white backdrops that came with my backdrop set. Because the backdrop set comes out like where you do the backdrop, it looks like this. Like the bottom of it comes out too far and it creates less room than I want it to be. And it starts to make it look junky when I'm like trying to straighten back up after myself, because I'm a person, I can't just y'all, what is going on here? Okay, so I can't just record and then leave everything. I just cannot do it. I have to wake up the next day just in case I want to record again, or when I want to come down here and edit or do my hair or just put on some lip gloss or something in this room. I just don't like stuff everywhere. It's already stuff everywhere, but not everywhere in my house anyway. So I am following right now, for the most part, they are people who are really inspiring me as far as my fashion goes and how I want to, like I told you guys in my recap video of 2021 and my 2022 goals, they are helping me to show up how I want. And Jess Dominique, who I'm watching, she's another just young girl who, they just mind their business. The people who I follow, they mind their business. They not never in no drama for the most part. And I follow little people that be in little bitty dramas, but not really anymore. I follow people who was in drama and now they have like evolved and they're like learning themselves and things like that. So Jess Dominique is someone who I just found from Jeronika's page. I went through a lot of her followers the other night, and I'm just learning to follow people who I follow, to look through their followers to see who they're following, because they know people who I don't know in different states, and you know, they follow people who may inspire me and who I want to just see. So she has put me on Jeronika. I love Jeronika. Like, I love her. Like, I really want to chill with her one day. I really, really do. She just seems so cool, but very high end. She's a very chic, modern person to me. Like, but with an attitude, just like me. Like, so I'm gonna get dressed. I'm also gonna eat because I haven't ate all day. And then I'll be back.
No, I'm just
Okay, y'all, so. Okay, so y'all, today is content day, so I'm finna let y'all see. My sister taking my pictures today because my daughter had to stay at home, so. Okay. Let me let y'all see how I get down. Because I'm true to this. I'm not new to it. Okay. Oh, shit. Come on. It's brick out here, cuz. First off, did you see that live of Santana and Young Miami? They was trying to do a New York accent. Oh, yeah. Okay, y'all. Kira, I need video and what's the name, but I want my video to be across there.
So like me walking across.
Yeah.
Oh, from like this angle?
Yeah.
From like this
So
angle?
should I do it now?
I'm on here, over there.
Turn this
Like
down.
in the corner.
Okay. Wait, what, right here?
Oh,
Wait, let me fix it. Turn it that way.
do y'all see?
Oh, the pole in the way a little bit. Okay.
Okay.
When I get enough, when I get enough, when I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I
Look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind.
When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. When I look outside my window, I can't get no peace of mind. I come. I still less fortunate. I do advise you run it back, run it on back when you're breaking it down for me. Cause I can hear you 2 times. Running on back, will it ever mean?
You like them? Oh, yeah. I got some.
Hey, you know what
Huh?
me be watching?
What? It's cold as a mud, bro. And dicey with our cream coat sauce. This one. I'm normally over here.
Oh, where?
Right across.
And I think nice.
And then this wall got more colors. There's plenty walls over here. I'm kinda hungry.
Me too. I ain't eating no since I woke up.
I want to try Taco Bell chicken.
Oh my god, I saw just what's her name?
You're hilarious.
No,
Oh no, just lobby.
living. Yeah, her girl. She said that was nasty.
She said it's not giving rat, but it's giving
something about kangaroo.
yeah.
Something. She said that was nasty.
Oh, the yellow wall.
You think
right
it's good?
There, the black
Ooh,
and blue
the yellow
wall.
one is cute.
You said what?
I said the yellow one is cute.
What you say before that?
She said that was nasty. And she said she's a chicken connoisseur, so
Yeah. She should know.
oh man.
Back, running on back when you're breaking it down for me. Cause I can hear you 2 times. Running on back, will it ever make sense to me? I got to do things my own way,